This drawer glide has 3 equal size holes at the front and the back. Normally these would mount to the wall of a cabinet box. I've taken this one and drilled the rearward hole larger so that I can mount it to the 80/20 rail over here. This is just the first one and I'm testing fitment. What I'm planning to do is to put a T-nut in here and then screw this essentially up to the 80/20 rail. And I should have a little bit of adjustability to figure out forward, backward, where I want to be. And then I can adjust this up and down depending on where the drawer face falls.
Let's just get it mocked into place and we'll worry about getting it tight in a little bit. I am going to put the back in this drawer right now. Okay, drawer number 2.
My first try putting the drawer glide in, the head of the screw that I used was just a little bit too thick and the thickness rubbed on the side of the drawer. So I've swapped out for a different style screw here and it goes in just a little bit more and does not contact the drawer at all. Drawers that Ikea currently sells are similar to this, but they're white and they will work exactly the same way. Quiet close. Perfect.
We'll see how it goes. If it works for now, it works for now. Nothing here is final. This is all experimental. So, all right, let's do the next one.
Really happy with how this has come together today. This is going to be a great amount of storage and I feel like we're using it efficiently. These will have high faces on them and be able to put quite a lot of stuff in there. They're not perfectly square, straight, etc. It's all kind of loosely tight so that I can adjust everything. Really, it's just mocked into place to give me an idea to see if it would work. So far, so good. I put a pair of these on there. The piece of hardware that goes back into the drawer side and locks into place. No one of these knobs, gotta remember how it goes. Here it goes. There it goes. I was a little bit too wide. I had to adjust it. Once it's locked, it makes a very loud sound, and it's locked. I'm going to now take this drawer out. I'm happy with how it's performing, but it's too high in the cabinet. This was just kind of an arbitrary, I'll put a bar here, tighten it down, get everything together. Now I need to drop this down so that I have the total height for both faces here. This one's up like 2 inches too tall. Happy with how this is coming out so far. The last thing I have to do is just lower the sides of the 80/20 in the 80/20 frame so that this drawer comes closer to here. I've got about an inch of a gap, and if I just lower it a little bit, it'll be perfect with the top of the cabinet frame. I would like you to hold this here while I loosen it.
Okay.
By chance we get lucky here because the Ikea cabinet boxes have a 3/4 inch wall plus a 3/4 inch wall for 2 side-by-side cabinets. It's a 3/4 inch reveal. This 80/20 profile being 1.5 inches is exactly perfect for that frameless cabinet look. Another point, these are standard Ikea sizes. If you don't like this color, if you don't like green, you can roll up to Ikea and buy replacements in the same sizes in any color you like that they're selling this season. Pink, yellow, blue, whatever they might have in stock. The whole point of building with the 80/20 and the Ikea dimensions is that it gives us flexibility and options. Thanks for watching our build progress so far. Please like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. It really helps our channel.